Hello and welcome to this video note on finding the equation of a line through 2 points using graphing calculator. Below is an example. Let's say we're asked to find the equation of a line that passes through these 2 points. Looking at the points, we can see that plotting them and counting rise over run is not practical. Much more practical approach is to actually use the formula for the slope to find it. Once we have the slope number, we can find the b, because all we need is one point that this line goes through. We are given 2 of them, so just choose one, any one of them. No matter which point we choose, the b will be the same. So let's label the points and follow the formula. Let's say this is the first point, and if that's the first point, then this is the x from the first point, and this is the y coordinate from the first point. And this is the second point, so this is the x from the second point, y from the second point. Now substituting all the information into our formula, we get negative 1.5 minus, which came with the formula, y1, which is 3/4, divided by the x2 is 4, so divided by 4 minus, which came with the formula, that's this minus, and then x1, which is negative 1.2. Now, we know that the two negatives together will make a plus, but we will type it in the calculator just the way it is. So here's the calculator. Let us use it to get the slope. So we open the parentheses and type in exactly what we have. Negative 1.5 minus 3 divided by 4, close parentheses, divided by, open parentheses, 4 minus, negative, the big minus is a minus, the short minus is negative, 1.2, enter, and enter. So here is the decimal that represents our slope. Now let's turn it into fractions. To do this, we go to the math, and the first choice is into fractions. So we hit enter, enter one more time, and we get negative 45 divided by 104. This is the slope. It is negative 45 divided by 104. This is one of the two things that we needed to find for our equation of a line. So let's replace that information into the m, and then we will look for the b. So at this point, we know that y equals to negative 45 divided by 104 x plus the b. So to find the b, all we need is 1 point. We are given 2 of them. Let's pick the second point because it has nicer numbers for the x. It would make no difference which one we pick because the result would be the same, and because either way the answer, the computation goes into the calculator. So it really makes no difference how complicated or not complicated the numbers are. So let us use this point. This point says that if x is 4, if the x number is 4, then the y number should be equal to negative 1.5, meaning negative 1.5 equals negative 45 divided by 104, and the x is 4 plus b. The only thing we have to find now is the b. To get b by itself, we need to undo this number. It's a negative number. So to undo the negative, we add the same number to both sides. Let's do that. We will get negative 1.5 plus 45 times 4 divided by 104. We can multiply and divide in any order, so we will just type it in the calculator just the way it is. So here is once again the calculator, and we type in negative 1.5 plus 45 times 4 divide 104, and the answer is 0.23 something. This is the b in decimal form. Now let's change it to fraction. Go to the math, first choice is into fractions, enter one more time, 3/13. This is the b, 3/13. And now we have all the information that we needed to come up with the equation of a straight line. So here is the final answer. Y equals negative 45 divided by 104 x plus 3/13. And this is the answer to our question. This is the line. This is the equation of a line that will pass through these 2 points. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. If you have some of your own questions you would like to see discussed, also let me know. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for your time.